Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are well. I'm at my home, my village home. It has just rained so heavily. You can see it has just rained. There is plenty of trees here. It is in the village, different types of trees here, as you can see. So today I want to take you to a simple walk. I want to show you something. I want to show you a gulley erosion. Have you ever seen a gulley erosion? I'm sure you haven't. So near our home there is a gulley erosion, as you can see. So I'm taking you there for a tour. Stay with me. And the gulley erosion has come as a result of heavy rainfall. This area normally rains so much, and because of poor drainage around this area, it happens that there is a gulley erosion. So I'm at the farm. This is our farm here. Just walking down the farm. From the farm, there is a gulley erosion on this side. As you can see here, this is a gulley erosion. Let me take you through the gulley erosion. As you can see, this one is a gulley erosion. I'm going down. I'm going to get in the erosion, the gulley erosion. You can see here, this is part of it, part of the gulley erosion. Oh my God! There it is. You can see I'm inside the gulley erosion right now. I'm inside the gulley erosion. You can see trees. You can see this gulley erosion has come as a result of heavy rainfall and poor drainage. It's so big. It has taken a very big area. It has continued. Let me continue showing you. I'm still going down the farm. This is another one. There is still some water there. The water flowing there. Actually, the gulley erosion has been covered by so many trees. Sometimes you cannot notice. There is the erosion. You can see a very big gulley erosion, but inside there are trees. You can see there is some running water there, flowing water inside the gulley erosion. At this area, it's so big. Sometimes you can't notice because of trees, but you can see a piece of land has been taken by the gulley erosion, because as you can see, this farm is supposed to be so wide, but from that point, you can see the land has been taken by the gulley erosion. Still the gulley erosion. You can see from where I'm standing, there is a very big gulley erosion there. You can see it. There are some trees even inside the gulley erosion, but these trees one day they were at the top on the farm, but now they continue moving. As the gulley erosion moves, the trees continue moving. There you go. You can see the gulley erosion. It goes up to down there. This is it. You can see even the other side of the farm. So these two different farms are from two different owners. So some part of that owner and another part from this side have been taken by the gulley erosion. And each time it rains, the gully erosion becomes bigger. They continue becoming bigger and bigger every time that it rains, because the erosion have not been controlled. But at least there is some attempt. Oh my God, I need to be careful, because so you can see near this big tree there is some attempt to control the water from running so much, so that the gully erosion does not become so big. We have tried to control soil erosion. You can see down there. We have also tried to plant some more trees, to ensure that this area is not free, even some grasses, to ensure the area is not empty. Let me show you. Hope you can see. Continue. So we are almost done. This gully erosion has even gone to the other side of the farm, because it's so big. It will continue becoming big. Becoming big. But for today, I'm going to stop from this side. That is it. This is the lower part of the gully erosion. I'll show you. Yeah, this is the lower part. That is it. There is this plant here, still planted. Some were planted, but some grew on their own on the gully erosion. This type of plants keep on growing on this area. I don't know, as a result of rain. So that is it. The gully erosion. You can see it, how the land is slanting. This is supposed to be the whole land, but from this area formed a gully erosion. And you can see we have tried to plant so many trees to control the erosion. So that is it. We have also planted some coffee on our farm. I think it looks good, to ensure that the land is not empty. We have planted some bananas down there, to ensure that this area is not empty. At least it is covered by crops. So many crops, bananas down there, coffee over here. Yeah, you can see coffee. And then all types of trees around. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching the gully erosion. I'm supposed to hurry up because it is continuing to rain, and before the rain comes back, I'm supposed to be done with this video of gully erosion. So I need to hurry. Thank you for watching. I'm going back home as I continue showing you the erosion. I hope you can see it better. So during the rainy season, all the water from this area is directed to this gully erosion. But we have done some control measures to ensure that the water does not destroy our farms more. And I think I have shown you some of the control measures that we have done to ensure that the gully erosion does not continue to spread, besides all the water coming on these I mean all the water being directed on this area. You can see, I think this is the deepest part of the gulley erosion, and it's the last part I'm going to show you before I finish. Bye bye guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, say something about the erosion, say something about the rainy season, what the rain has done in your area. Like in my area, just shown you the causes. It has caused a very big gulley erosion. Just let me know what rain has done or too much rain has caused in your area. Bye bye, see you in my next video. Bye guys.